show you one more crostino with walnuts and mascarpone. Noci and mascarpone. We're gonna put this right in here into our Cuisinart. Since the oven is hot, we're gonna toast these a bit to get all the flavor out. For even a more intense flavor, we're gonna put the walnuts in there and allow them to toast just a bit. You can tell when they're ready when some of the oils are getting released. You see how shiny they are? And here they are, nicely toasted and hot. Put these in here. Place the top on and mix it really well. And I believe that we are done. Look at this. This is going to be absolutely wonderful on top of our toasted bread. We're gonna slice this baguette, we'll place it on a pan, and then in the oven, and they're gonna be ready to serve. And here for the walnut crostini, we're gonna place these in, allow it to toast. Let's get them out, and look at these guys. Perfect. The walnut ones are ready to be finished off. We're going to put one more walnut on top. Just simply like this. Let's go to the next one. So this has a very delicate flavor. It's not an overpowering flavor, but still very delicious. We're going to continue putting the spread on here. So one more walnut, and then here we have this really special salt, kind of a flaky salt. We're going to put some of these flakes on there, and then I'm just going to have to taste one. Look at there. Buon appetito!